Struggling to find the perfect image for your video? What if you could create a completely unique, stunning visual just by typing a sentence? No experience required, and no design skills needed. Welcome everyone. It's me, that internet guy, and in this beginner-friendly guide, I'm going to show you how to master the FlexClip AI image generator tool. By the end of this video, you will know how to access the AI tool inside FlexClip, craft a powerful text prompt that gets you great results, choose the right style and format for your project, generate, customize, and download your AI masterpiece. Use pro tips to troubleshoot and spark creativity. Let's dive in. Section 1. Accessing FlexClip AI. Step 1 is getting to the right place. It's super easy. First, open your web browser and go to flexclip.com. Next, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. Creating a free account is quick and simple. Once you're in, look for the AI Text-to-Image tool on the main dashboard. I've also put a direct link in the video description below to take you there. Just click it, and you're ready for the fun part. Section 2. Crafting your AI prompt. Near the top left of your screen, select your model. If you're not sure, just stick with the default. It's a great starting point. I will choose Google Nano Banana. Next is your prompt. This is the most important step, telling the AI what you want. Now, a common beginner mistake is being too vague. Instead of just a man in blue pants, let's create something amazing. We'll type, a young man, bald with only 3 hairs, clean shaven, overweight, wearing blue pants and a white collar golf shirt, who is happily walking home along a path through a park with lots of mature, tall trees, grass, and flowers along the path. See how descriptive that is? If you're feeling stuck, FlexClip has a fantastic prompt guide right here with helpful tips. And here's a pro tip. I often use an AI chatbot like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to brainstorm and write incredibly detailed descriptions for me. I will ask the chatbot something like, please create a 100-word description, rich in detail that I can cut and paste into the FlexClip AI Text-to-Image tool. The subject is a man in blue pants. Please provide 4 options. I just paste one of these options right into the FlexClip prompt. It's a huge time saver. Section 3. Choosing style and ratio. Before we generate, you'll see a few settings. First, let's pick a style. This changes the whole feel of the image. Click through the options like photo, digital, anime, and painting. For our man in blue pants, let's choose digital 3D. Next, select your ratio or reference image. Because I selected model, Google Nano Banana, I have the option of uploading a reference image from my computer. This is optional. However, in this example, I will use an AI-generated image, created using text-to-image from a previous attempt. Finally, if you see ratio, select the ratio you require. Ratio is the shape of your image. For YouTube video, I almost always use 16:9, which is widescreen HD. But if you need a square for Instagram or a vertical for story, you can choose that here. Select your image count from the available options. Section 4. Generating and refining. Before we create this image, note the number of credits that will be deducted from your account. The model you choose will depend on how many credits will be deducted. Okay, take a deep breath and click Generate. The AI will now work its magic. In a few seconds, your generated image will appear. Now, your first result might not be perfect, and that's totally normal. If you don't love what you see, don't get discouraged. The key is to refine your prompt. Maybe add more details like highly detailed, vibrant colors, or change the style from digital to painting. Experimentation is part of the process. Section 5. Downloading and pro tips for success. Once you find an image you love, just click download, and it will save directly to your computer. You can also click image to video. Select your model. Pro is good enough for this tutorial. The image you just created should be under upload. Next, use the same description as before. A young man, bald with only 3 hairs, clean shaven, overweight, wearing blue pants and a white collar golf shirt, who is happily walking home along a path through a park with Lots of mature, tall trees, grass, and flowers along the path. I will go into more detail about the FlexClip AI image to video in another beginner series tutorial. Now, before you go, here are my top 3 tips to make you an AI image pro. Be a detail detective. Use descriptive adjectives. Instead of a cat, try a fluffy ginger cat sleeping on a sunny windowsill. Photorealistic. Beat creative block. If you're stuck, use the Inspire Me feature. It gives you AI-optimized prompt ideas that you can use as is or tweak to your liking. Experiment. Try the same prompt with different styles. An ancient castle could look completely different in photo versus vintage versus anime. Play around. Conclusion and recap. And that's it. You just learned how to create custom images from scratch using AI. To quickly recap, you now know how to navigate to the FlexClip AI Text-to-Image tool, write a detailed, effective prompt, and even use AI chatbots for help. Select the perfect style and ratio for your needs. Generate, refine, and download your final image. Use advanced tips like Inspire Me and style swapping to unlock your creativity. You're now equipped to bring any idea to life. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple guides that make tech easy. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.